card by Graham. He does this every year for me. The blessing of my life. I have many more kids that are all my blessings. This is what I woke up to this morning. I am married to the cutest man ever. You know, I asked God to bring me a man, and He knew exactly what my personality needed. Christmas decoration hanging over the bed. The cutest man ever. I'm crazy in love with him. Graham, I love you. So, in my adult life, the most asked question I've ever had with my birthday, which is the day after Christmas, is, don't you hate your birthday? Do you know, Graham? Every time.
I even asked her, I said, don't you hate your birthday being after Christmas? I do, it's double gift day.
And you know, I absolutely love my birthday on this day.
Obviously.
I know we know it's not Christ's actual birthday on Christmas Day, but
Celebrating day.
it's a celebrating day, and then mine's the day after, and I've never ever had an issue with, they say, because you get presents for both days. I've never had an issue ever with that. I've just been happy my whole life having my birthday on this day.
Okay, so now here's a question.
Yeah?
Seeing as it is on the old Boxing Day,
Yeah.
did you ever get your birthday present the night before under the tree?
No, I didn't. I don't think so. If I can remember, I can't remember.
Sorry, I'm looking.
Yeah, I can't remember. Did you? I can't remember. I don't think I did. I got my birthday present on that
But
day.
I mean, it's so close. It could be a birthday present that before you go to bed you can then think about it for tomorrow morning.
No. And you don't even do it.
Ah, we're not going to do anything now because look down here, we're going to eat now.
We're having a nice wimpy brekkies
Ricky.
and hard eggs. You know, I love hard eggs.
They're so hard that if you throw them out, I can hit them back with a bat.
Anyway, we're going to enjoy. So enjoy your day out there. Love you all.